Have you ever pondered how mankind's venture into the cosmos began? As we look back, the dawn of the space age seems like a tale from a different epoch altogether. It's a story that begins in the year 1957 on a chilly October day. The protagonist of our story is not a person but a small, beeping ball named Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union. This metal sphere, no larger than a beach ball with 4 long antennae sticking out, was the first artificial satellite to orbit our planet. The launch of Sputnik 1 was a landmark event, one that would shape the course of humanity's relationship with space. It was a seminal moment that not only showcased the technological prowess of the Soviet Union but also signaled the beginning of a new era, the space age. But why was this event so significant, you may ask? Well, for starters, it was a demonstration of the potential of space technology. It proved that humans could send objects into space and have them orbit the Earth. This was a big deal. It was the first step towards realizing the dream of exploring the cosmos, a dream that had been the stuff of science fiction until then. Additionally, the launch of Sputnik 1 sparked what would come to be known as the space race. This was a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, two superpowers locked in a Cold War. The space race was not just about technological superiority, it was also about ideological dominance. The ability to explore and conquer space was seen as a testament to the superiority of one's political and economic system. In the years that followed, the space race would lead to some of the most significant advancements in space technology, culminating in the Apollo moon landing in 1969. But that's a tale for another time. For now, let's remember that it all began with a small, beeping ball named Sputnik. So, with the launch of Sputnik, the era of space exploration had begun, setting the stage for a race to the stars. As mankind's ambition reached for the stars, the moon became the first pit stop. It was a race not against another country, but against our own limitations, our own understanding of the universe. In the late 60s, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA as we know it, embarked on a series of missions that would forever change our perspective of the cosmos. These were the Apollo missions, a testament to human ingenuity and resolve. The most famous among these was the Apollo 11 mission. Launched in July 1969, it had a singular goal: to put a man on the moon. And it did. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin aboard the lunar module Eagle descended onto the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. Armstrong's first step on the moon and his famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," ignited a spark in millions of hearts, inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts. But the Apollo missions were more than just Apollo 11. Each mission, from Apollo 1 tragically lost in a pre-launch fire, to Apollo 17, the last manned mission to the moon, contributed significantly to our understanding of space. Apollo 8, for instance, was the first manned spacecraft to leave Earth's orbit, reach the moon, orbit it, and return safely. Apollo 12 confirmed the feasibility of precision lunar landings, while Apollo 15 saw the first use of the lunar roving vehicle. These missions, they were not just about reaching the moon. They were about pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They were about challenging the unknown, about stepping into the void and coming back with knowledge, with understanding, with a sense of our place in the cosmos. Neil Armstrong's giant leap for mankind marked a significant milestone in our journey towards the stars. But it was just the beginning, the first step in a journey that's still ongoing, a journey that promises to take us even further into the unknown. The moon landing was just the beginning. The next chapter in space exploration was about to unfold with the introduction of space shuttles. The late 70s and the early 80s marked a pivotal time in space exploration. NASA was on the cusp of a groundbreaking innovation, the development of reusable space shuttles. The concept was daring, yet promising. Instead of single-use rockets that would burn up or float aimlessly in space after launch, NASA sought to create a vehicle that could safely return to Earth and fly again. In 1981, this vision became a reality with the first orbital flight of the Columbia, the pioneer of the space shuttle fleet. Columbia was more than just a spacecraft. It was a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon of what was yet to come. The space shuttles were not merely vehicles for space travel, but versatile tools that could carry out a variety of missions. From launching satellites to repairing the Hubble Space Telescope, the shuttles were instrumental in advancing our understanding of the cosmos. One of the most significant roles of these shuttles, however, was their involvement in the construction of the International Space Station, Imagine it, a group of nations coming together to build a home among the stars. The shuttles were the workhorses of this ambitious project, ferrying astronauts, equipment and supplies to and from the construction site in the sky. But like all great endeavors, the era of the space shuttles was not without its trials and tribulations. Each setback served as a stark reminder of the risks involved in pushing the boundaries of human achievement. But in the face of these challenges, the space shuttles stood as a symbol of resilience and a testament to the indomitable human spirit. The space shuttles provided a reliable and reusable way to reach space, paving the way for long-duration missions and international cooperation. These remarkable vehicles shifted the paradigm of space exploration, propelling us into an era where the stars are not just points of light in the night sky but destinations within our reach. In the 21st century, a new breed of explorers entered the scene, forever changing the landscape of space travel. The dawn of private space exploration marked a significant shift from government-led missions to the cosmos, ushering in innovative companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic. SpaceX, founded by renowned entrepreneur Elon Musk, has been a game-changer in the industry. The company's Falcon 9 rocket has not only successfully launched numerous satellites into orbit, but also made history by becoming the first privately funded spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station. This feat was a testament to the tremendous potential of private space exploration, demonstrating that government agencies are no longer the sole gatekeepers of the final frontier. Then there's Blue Origin, the brainchild of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. This company has focused its efforts on suborbital space tourism, with its New Shepard flights offering civilians the chance to experience the thrill of space travel. Blue Origin's achievements have further democratized space exploration, bringing the cosmos within reach of those who once could only dream of such an adventure. And let's not forget Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson's bold endeavor. This company has made strides in space tourism, offering suborbital flights for those brave enough to venture beyond our planet's atmosphere. Virgin Galactic's efforts have further expanded the frontiers of space travel, making it a realistic possibility for everyday individuals. These companies and their groundbreaking achievements have transformed the space industry, making space travel more accessible and affordable. They have ignited a new era of exploration and discovery, one where the mysteries of the cosmos are no longer confined to the realm of astronauts and scientists. In this age of private space exploration, the stars are no longer distant, unreachable points of light. Instead, they are destinations waiting to be explored and understood. With the advent of private companies, space travel is no longer exclusive to government agencies, opening up a realm of possibilities. This is the age where the dreams of reaching the stars are no longer dreams, but tangible realities within our grasp. As we stand on the brink of a new era, what does the future hold for spacecraft? In the upcoming years, we will witness a new chapter of space exploration. With the Artemis missions, our eyes are once again set on the moon. The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface by the year 2024. But this time, we're not just visiting, we're planning to stay, establishing a sustainable human presence by the end of the decade. The Mars 2020 mission is another milestone, marking our continuous fascination with the red planet. The mission's rover, Perseverance, is already hard at work, seeking signs of ancient life and collecting samples that could one day be returned to Earth. And speaking of Mars, the prospect of manned missions to this planet is no longer the stuff of science fiction. With organizations like SpaceX leading the way, we could see human footprints on Martian soil within our lifetime. But to reach these lofty goals, we need advanced technology and international collaboration. The future of space travel will be shaped not just by one nation, but by the collective efforts of the global community. We're seeing the development of new propulsion systems like ion drives and plasma engines that could make space travel faster and more efficient. And we're harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and robotics to aid in exploration and discovery. As we look to the future, we must also consider the ethical and environmental implications of space exploration. We must strive to explore responsibly, ensuring the sustainability of our activities and the preservation of celestial bodies. The journey of spacecraft from Sputnik to SpaceX is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to push the boundaries, we can only imagine what the future holds. As we face the unknown, we remain hopeful and excited for the discoveries and advancements that are just over the cosmic horizon.